so much, everyone, for actively participating in our Mentimeter task earlier. Your ideas and insights were incredibly great. That was awesome. Now that we've warmed up, it's time to dive into our next task. So, you'll be assessing your knowledge, your comprehension, your understanding about the discussion by answering our assessments. I will be posting 2 types of assessments in the stream to help us further explore and apply what we've learned about speech styles. You'll be working on with these assessments after our online class. So for the first type of assessment, it is a digital assessment. You'll be answering a 10-item quiz at the quizzes link that we will be providing on our stream. It has multiple choices questions to check how well you can identify the different types of speech styles. For the second type of assessment, it is a performance-based assessment. You'll be working on this assessment by pairs to create and record a 2 to 3 minute conversation showing your understanding of the different speech styles. Your video will be submitted via a quizzes link that will also be provided in the stream. Further instructions will be posted in our stream. Now, everyone, that we're done, allow me to express my deepest appreciation in your enthusiasm and efforts in learning about the different types of speech styles. I hope that everything that you've learned today will not only help you in class, but also in real-life conversations, whether it's in school, at home, at your home, or even in the community. Keep practicing and applying what you know. You're all doing amazing and great. Thank you so much again. And also, I forgot to mention, don't hesitate to ask questions or clarifications about the assessment we'll be providing to you. Reach out to your teachers at our group chat if you have any confusions, okay? That's all for our online class. God bless you all, and may you have the brightest day ahead. Keep shining and keep learning, everyone. Thank you and goodbye.